Good morning, children. In today's class, you'll be learning problems related to trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. So, in this section, you have many formulas. That formulas you have written in the beginning of this chapter. Okay, so you'll use some of those formulas to solve these questions. So here you have the very first question. Prove that 3 sine pi by 6 sec pi by 3 minus 4 sine 5 pi by 6 cot pi by 4 is equal to 1. So you have LHS as well as RHS in this equation. So LHS you have this much. Okay, that is 3 sine pi by 6 sec pi by 3 minus 4 sine 5 pi by 6 cot pi by 4. I have written it over here. We have LHS equal to this term. So from this LHS you have to find this RHS 1. So you have to substitute the formula. Sorry, not substituting the formula. You have to substitute the value of this pi by 6, pi by 3, pi by 4, etc. So let's see how to solve this problem. You have 3 sine. What is the value of sine pi by 6? From the table, sine pi by 6. Pi by 6 means, what is pi by 6? Pi is 180. 180 divided by 6. 6 ones are, 6 threes are 18. So 30 degree. Sine 30 degree or sine pi by 6. The value of sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So you will be writing the value of sine pi by 6 as 1 by 2. 3 into sine pi by 6, it is 1 by 2, into sec pi by 3. Sec pi by 3. Sec is a reciprocal of what? Sec is a reciprocal of cos. So cos 60 degree. Pi by 3 is 60 degree. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of that. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of cos is sec. Sec 60 will be 2 by 1 or that is equal to 2. So in the place of sec pi by 3, you will be writing 2 minus 4 as it is. Sine 5 by 6, sine 5 pi by 6, you can write it as pi minus pi by 6 because the last class you studied, right? To solve this type of question. This 5 pi by 6 can be written as pi minus pi by 6. That is, if you take the LCM, 6 into pi, 6 pi minus pi. 6 pi minus pi is 5 pi. That is on the numerator. 5 pi divided by 6. Into cot pi by 4. What is tan pi by 4? Reciprocal of tan is cot. So tan pi by 4, you have the value 1. 45 degree. Tan pi by 4, you have the value as 1. Similarly, reciprocal of tan, it is cot. So cot pi by 4, the value is 1 by 1. So this is 1. So you have cot pi by 4 as 1. The next line, 3. I'll cancel this 2 and this 2. Okay. So 3 into 1, that is 3, minus 4. You have sine pi minus theta or sine pi minus x, you have the value as x, or sine pi minus theta, the answer is sine theta. So in the place of pi minus pi by 6, you will be writing sine pi by 6 itself into 1. So this will be 4 sine pi by 6. Sine pi minus theta, that is equal to sine theta. Next line, 3 minus 4 into sine pi by 6. What is the value of sine pi by 6? That is 1 by 2. Now here in the next line, 2 ones are 4. That will be 2 into 2, 4. So 3 minus 2, you have the answer as 1. 3 minus 2, it is 1. That is your RHS value. Okay, so you have to substitute the value of this trigonometric function which I gave in your first class table. Okay, so that is how you have to solve this question. You had LHS and RHS. While solving the LHS, you have to get the answer for RHS. In some question, you will take RHS first, then you will be getting the answer for LHS. Anyhow, you can do solve the question. So this was about the first question. Moving on to the next question, you have to find the value of sine 15 degree. So how to find the value of sine 15 degree? So this sine 15 you can write in terms of two angles. Okay, you can write in terms of two angles. That is 45 minus 30. How much is 45 minus 30? You will get the answer as 15. Right? 45 minus 30, the answer is 15. So this sine 15 you can write in terms of sine 45 degree minus 30 degree. So here you have to use the formula sine of x minus y or sine of a minus b. Okay. What is the formula? Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. This is the formula. Or we will be writing sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. This is the formula. Any one you can use. So here this is your a, 45 is your a, 30 is your b. Okay. So here the next line we will be using this formula. So what is it? Sine a cos b. So this will be sine a. What is sine a? 45. Cos b. B is your 30. Sine 45 cos 30 minus cos a. Cos a means in the place of a you are having 45. So cos a sine b. What is b value here? 30 degree. So you have sine 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sine 30 degree. In the next line, you will be substituting the value of 45 degree and 30 degree. So now sine 45 you have the value 1 by root 2. Cos 30 you have the value root 3 by 2 minus again cos 45 1 by root 2 sine 30 1 by 2. This is multiplication. Okay, this is multiplication. If there is addition or subtraction, can you use that, or else you have to, if nothing is there, it is multiplication. So here 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. So here 1 into root 3 divided by root 2 into 2, that is 2 root 2. Multiplication is direct, so I have directly multiplied. Minus 1 into 1 divided by 2 root 2. Now you have same denominator 2 root 2. I have written it once, 2 root 2, and in numerator you have root 3. This is minus root 3 minus, you have the second term as 1. So root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2 is your answer for sine 15 degree. I hope it is clear to you all, this question. Now you have the next question, third question. That is find the value of tan 13 pi by 12. Okay, tan 13 pi by 12. So how will you write this 13 pi by 12 in terms of two angles? So this you can write it as tan inside the bracket pi plus pi by 12. Okay, pi plus pi by 12. How is it? See here, pi plus pi by 12, that is equal to, if you cross multiply, pi into 12, 12 pi plus pi. divided by 12. So 12 pi plus pi, 13 pi by 12. That is your question. So this 13 pi by 12 we can write in terms of two angles. That is pi plus pi by 12. The next line we have tan pi plus theta. That is tan theta. Okay. And pi plus theta is equal to tan theta. So in the place of theta you have pi by 12. So in the next line tan pi by 12. Now I can write this pi by 12 as difference of two angles. Sum means addition, difference means subtraction. So this pi by 12 I can write in terms of difference of two angles. How can I write this? Tan this pi by 12. See here I have written pi by 4 minus pi by 6. So let me check whether that is proper or not. Now here pi by 4 minus pi by 6. If you take the LCM or cross multiply, what is the answer? Pi into 6, you have 6 pi minus 4 into pi, 4 pi. I am cross multiplying, or you can take the LCM divided by 4 into 6, 24. Now 6 pi minus 4 pi, you get the answer as 2 pi divided by 24. Now 2 one time, 24 how many time? 12 time. Because 12 into 2 you get the answer as 24. Now what is the answer here? 1 into pi, pi divided by 12. So this is the answer you are getting. So if you write this pi by 12 in terms of difference of two angles, you will get the answer as pi by 4 minus pi by 6 or vice versa. So that is how you have written tan pi by 4 minus pi by 6. Now the next line you have to use the formula. What is the formula here? Tan of x minus y. Okay, you have the formula tan of x minus y. What is the formula? Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. This is the formula. Okay, tan of x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. That is you have used here. Your x is pi by 4, your y is pi by 6. So tan pi by 4 minus tan pi by 6 divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan pi by 6. I will substitute the values. Tan pi by 4 you have the value as 1 minus tan pi by 6, the answer is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 1 plus, now here tan pi by 4 you have the answer as 1 into tan pi by 6, the answer is 1 by root 3. So 1 into 1 by root 3, you got the answer as 1 by root 3. This one I have written as it is 1 plus 1 by root 3. Now cross multiplying, what is the answer? 1 into root 3 minus 1 divided by this one root 3 whole divided by 1 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3. Now you have root 3 numerator as well as denominator. I have cancelled it. Remaining term you get it as root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So till here I hope it is clear to you all. After this you have to multiply and divide by the conjugate. What is the conjugate? Root 3 minus 1. Where you have to multiply this conjugate? I hope you know what is conjugate. Okay. If here you have plus value, the conjugate of denominator will be negative. If you are having negative value here, the conjugate will be positive. So you have to take the denominator's conjugate. Always remember, when you are multiplying and dividing, you have to take the conjugate of the denominator and then you have to multiply that conjugate to the numerator as well as denominator. Okay, so here multiply and divide by the conjugate. I have written what is the conjugate. Root 3 minus 1 to where? To the numerator as well as denominator. You have to multiply and divide. What is it? Root 3 minus 1. So here root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. So here next line. A minus B into A minus B. What is it? A minus B to A minus B? A minus B whole square, right? A minus B into A minus B. A minus B whole square. Because x into x, you can write it as x square. Similarly, you'll write A minus B whole square. So that will be root 3 minus 1 whole square. Next identity, A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. What is the answer? A square minus B square. So here you have in the place of A as root 3. So root 3 square minus root 3 minus 1. So this will be, root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. In this you have A as root 3. So A square root 3 square minus B square you have in the place of B as 1. So this will be 1 square. So numerator you have to expand. What is A minus B whole square? A square minus 2AB plus B square. So you have root 3 square minus 2 into root 3 into 1. Okay, this is 2 into root 3 into 1. 2AB plus B square. 1 square. Divided by root 3 square. What is the answer of root 3 square? That is 3 minus 1 square. You have the answer as 1. Root 3 square again. 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. You have the answer as 2. Now this 3 plus 1. You have the answer as 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Now you have to split the terms. So you can write 4 by 2 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So here 2 ones are, 4 twos are. Okay. Now here 2, 2 I'll cancel. After that what is remaining? 2 by 1 you have 2 minus root 3 is left out here. So 2 minus root 3 is your answer for this question. Tan, what is the question? Tan 13 pi by 12. First you have written this 13 pi by 12 in terms of sum of two angles. Then you have converted that to difference of two angles. Use the formula multiplied by the conjugate. Simplified. After that at last you got 2 minus root 3. Now the next question. You have to prove that sine of x plus y divided by sine x minus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. You have LHS as well as RHS here. Now you have LHS. What is LHS here? This one, this term. Now first I'll take LHS term, sine of x plus y divided by sine of x minus y. I'll expand this using the formula. What is sine of a plus b or sine of x plus y? You have the formula sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. Similarly, you have the difference of two angles for sine. Sine of x minus y, the answer is, the formula is sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. I have expanded this LHS using the formula. After that, in your RHS, you have to get tan x tan y, right? So tan x tan y you have to get. So what is tan x in terms of sine and cos? Sin x by cos x, you'll get tan x. Similarly, tan y, how to get tan y? Sin y divided by cos y, because sin by cos is tan. Sin by cos is tan. Here the angle is x, the second is angle y. So I'll divide the numerator of this, okay, this expanded form. Dividing the numerator and denominator by cos x cos y we get. So here I have to divide this full term by cos x and cos y. Let's see what we get. Okay, you have to divide the term. So here sin x I'll divide by cos x cos y plus this will be cos x cos y. Again here cos x cos y minus here cos x cos y. So sin x by cos x, that is tan x here. Now cos x got cancelled, plus cos x got cancelled, sin y by cos y, tan y. Similarly denominator, sin x by cos x you have tan x, cos y got cancelled, minus again cos x got cancelled, sin y by cos y, it is tan y. Okay. So after dividing, you got the answer as, what is the answer? You got tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. You are not dividing this term, you are dividing the expanded of this term. Okay, after dividing, you will get the answer as tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. So this is what you have to get in your RHS, that is tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. Hope it is clear how you have divided this one, because from sine you have to get the value as tan, term as tan. Okay, so from sine if you divide by cos, then only you'll get the term as tan x or tan y. The last question you have, tan 3x tan 2x tan x, that is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. So this is the last question for today's class. So here you have 3x, 2x and x, right? Both the side you are having 3x, 2x and x. Now we know that, what do you know? What is 3x? When you add 2x plus x, you'll get 3, right? Because 2 plus 1, the answer is 3. So 2x plus 1x, you get 3x. So that is what I have written here. 3x is equal to 2x plus x. Now in your question you are having tan. So I'll include this term tan both sides. Okay, tan of 3x, tan of 2x plus x. Or this tan 3x you can write as, this is tan x plus y. Okay, if you use the formula tan of x plus y, what is the formula? Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. This is a formula for tan of x plus y. So here in the place of 2x plus x of this tan, you can use this formula. So how this will be? Or tan 3x is equal to, in the place of x you are having 2x, in the place of y you are having x. So tan x plus tan y means tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan, in the place of x you are having 2x, In the place of y you are having x. So 1 minus tan 2x tan x. Okay, next line we'll cross multiply. So that is tan 3x inside the bracket this term. That is equal to what is left out in the right side, tan 2x plus tan x. I have written it here, tan 2x plus tan x. In the next line, we'll open the bracket. Tan 3x into 1, tan 3x minus minus. Again, you'll multiply this term to here. Tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x. Put it here. That is equal to tan 2x plus tan x as the above step. So, can you please check the question? You want tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x together, right? This should be positive. Everything should be positive. So what I'll do, I'll take this minus this full term to right side. So this minus term, the sign changes to positive. So here I wrote only tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x. Negative sign will be converted to positive. Sign changes when this left side comes to the right side. So this side it is clear. Now I have to check for tan 3x minus and minus it should be. So here I have already tan 3x. I wrote it here. This plus tan 2x. Change the color. This tan 2x. When it comes to left side, this will be minus. Okay, minus tan 2x. Again this plus tan x. When it comes to left side, what it becomes? Minus tan x. So you got tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x is equal to tan 3x tan 2x tan x. So if you check, this is your LHS of the question. This is your RHS of the question. So if you want, the next line you can write as the question itself. LHS you can write the left side and RHS you can write in your right side. So this is your fifth question. So hope this is the last question for today's class. Submit your notes by today evening, and you have to solve example 15, 16, 17. Okay, page number 71 and 72. Solve these questions in a notebook. Okay, solve these questions in a notebook. Along with this 5 questions, I want everyone to write example question. Example 15, 16, 17 of page number 71 and 72 in your notebook and submit together. Okay, after that you have to complete exercise 3.3 that I'll tell you when to complete. So first, when you are submitting the notes, please try to include these questions and answers from your textbook and submit the notes by today evening. Okay, there are many students. I'm going to call their parents because they have not submitted the notes on time. So before today evening in the sense you can submit by night also. Okay, you have to solve these questions along with the notes. Thank you, children. That's all for today's class. Please submit your notes on time. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.